Hello friends, I am Siddhanth. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make a cap on Blender. So let's start. First we will select these and delete them. Press Shift A, choose a UV sphere. Again press Shift A, choose a cube. Move this downward. Press Shift and select this also. Edit this out, select this, shift, bool tool and difference. So now press again Shift A, in mesh choose a torus and first again choose this -Z, Ctrl C and V, move this a bit down, difference. You can see a hole kind of inside it like a cap have. So now we will make, and Z should be 0.3. Now it has set up. Now we are going to first, before coloring, make it 1.5, this also 1.5, and this should be 1.3, and this should also be 1.3. Now to color them, as you know, we go to viewport shading, to edit mode by selecting out this part. Now select these parts to design. Now go here, add new. I'm going to make it yellow. Assign. Again go to object mode, select this, select envelope, and this is our cap. So now this cap is ready. So easily you can make this cap. Now we'll meet in next video. Bye.